Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a very special video because I just got my dream bike. One of them. I have many dream bikes, but this one I think is the most special one. Something what I like, so I've been thinking about it for a while and I just did it. So let's take everything out of the box and put everything together. Let's go. Take it off. Oh, look at that. Come on. Oh, looks even better on. Okay, look at this. The Haibike Lyke CF SE. It's 2024 model. Fazua motor with the Fazua system, of course. Fox front and back. And SRAM transmission. I will just put on the stand and we can have a close look at it. I will just take all the plastics out and you can have a look to the full bike. This thing is crazy. I mean, I'm very happy. I'm a bit nervous because I don't used to do videos like this, so something a bit difficult for me. But I know I have to do it. This is very special moment for everyone who follow me on YouTube, Instagram. You know, I've been a very hard. Okay, let's have a close look to the bike. The Haibike Lyke CF SE. It's coming, the frame is all carbon. It's coming with Mavic carbon wheels, Maxxis tires, classic. Fox 36 on the front. Race Fay handlebar, carbon as well. XTR brakes. We have a Fox dropper post, Fox float on the rear. One of the craziest transmissions I ever see. The SRAM XX. Motor, we have the Fazua motor. is Fazua Ride 60, and I think called 60 because have 60 Newton meter, and the battery Fazua as well, 430 watts, so it's a very light e-bike, so it's not a full power one, completely different than my other bike, so I think it's perfect balance between workout and a e-bike. I got the large size. I see it's quite long, but I like it because I've been using the medium and I feel it's a bit small for me. But it's incredible. I just love everything on the bike. Let's finish it and I can do a nice video outside. Let's go. Let's have a look to the box first. Okay, have a SRAM box. I believe here is the charger. Yeah. We have some tubeless liquids. It's coming with tubes, but you can do the convert to tubeless. You have the valves here for the tubeless. Extra couple of spokes just in case. More spokes. Some stickers. This one is a spare connection for charger. Pedals. I was surprised because I opened another bike and the pedals looks very good quality. I think it's what you expect on a this kind of bikes, no? More valve. It's the Fazua charger. Okay. That's all. And here on the other box have the Fox manual, dropper post, everything. Okay, we'll just put the pedals on and I will check the brakes, put it outside to do a video. I don't think I'm gonna finish the bike today because I'm tired. I'm racing tomorrow, cyclocross, so it's no point to spend all the afternoon, all the night finishing the bike. I don't wanna use it tomorrow, so I will have so many things to do on the bike as well. We put the protection before to using the bike, and I will put these pedals for now, but I was thinking to use clip because it's such a light bike, so it's no point to using a full fat bike setup like flat pedals and everything, because I don't see me doing too many jumps on this thing, to be honest. I think I'm gonna use for different style of riding, and yeah, we're gonna be doing so many videos on the future. We're gonna be doing some, I'm doing the right thing or no? Right, yeah. I'm doing it right. And I'm gonna be doing the testing the battery, the motor, to see how far we can go. Pedals are on. You can just pump the tires a little bit. They're not very good, to be honest. Normally when the bikes come new from the box, they come from very low pressure. But all the bikes are different. Maybe this one don't spend too much time on the warehouse or was built recently, and that's why. I will just clean the dust and put it outside to do a nice video. I'm so happy, seriously. I know I can look a bit nervous, but it's because the video. It's my first time doing a video like this, so I'm very happy. I was thinking to get a bike like this for a while, and I just see a good offer and I just did it. Of course, I have the help for evolution cycles. They always look after me, so this come with battery. Normally they don't come with battery. I will just quickly wipe and we can put it outside to do a video. Thank you for watching all the video, and I hope that you enjoy it. I will be doing some more videos about the Lyke soon, so stay tuned. See you!